I need to get the heck out of here. I need a drink first. Well, apparently it's a square body truck day at the junkyard. There's a few of them here today. Wasn't here last time I was here. This one's a 4-wheel drive. Not exactly sure what year it is, 77, 8, 9, somewhere in there. Like all these trucks, it's pretty tough. Somebody's Billy Bob ride or something, I guess you call it. It's pretty beat up. An awesome paint job on it too. Apparently they remove stuff, removal of stuff, etc. Some nice add-on taillights. I don't know what that was for, weight or something. Got them on both sides. It's fun to look at some of the weird stuff people do. And an awesome trailer marker light, some kind of blue light. Kind of blue light special. Look inside. Nice rainbow door strap. And power windows, at least that door did, but it's got a crank too. Awesome tape job for the steering column. There's a bunch of wires going out through the hood there for some reason. I say it is a 4-wheel drive. Got license plates mounted everywhere. One in the headliner. Bunch of clips for something. Hell, even had a CB. Breaker 19, this is a rubber duck. He's driving a piece of junk. Really tried to do some body work there. Hell, even got license plates for rocker panel. It's a license plate special. One up there too. Anyways, there's another one over here. Appears to be in a little bit better shape, but not a whole lot better shape. The Midwestern truck rotten. See, not much on them is too good. Usually interior's trash. Oh, the seat don't look too bad. Except for somebody's cigarette burn in it. Looks like an Oldsmobile steering wheel, rally wheel. I need to find me some of those mirrors. They're getting tough to find. I need the other style, not 4 bolts. Needs a bolt on there. Still fairly complete under here. Got a flex fan on it. This one might have ran and moved. The GMC. Typical hood. So there's not a whole lot on these things that's good. Guess it says it's a 77. Not much in the back. Pretty tough old trucks. I had 1 billion miles put on them. Can't get the door open. It's locked. There we go. It's like a rally Oldsmobile wheel, but it's not too good. Everything in these usually ain't too good, especially around here. Here's the cap for the steering wheel. Oldsmobile. If I was buying a steering column out of something today, I might stick that wheel on it. We'll go and stash that under the seat. I might probably find it anyways. And there's one more over here. says it's a 76. It's an inline 6 truck with a manual transmission. Or at least it was a manual transmission. It's in pretty rough shape too. Of course, we can't get around in the back here, but walk around. Tripped by a rope. Open the damn doors on everything. This one looks more original, looking like nobody's messed with it too much, but there has been some work done to it. Some weird looking mirrors on it. Never seen nothing like that before. Awesome 6-cylinder, but you can see was a 3 on the tree. You can see there's no transmission in it now. The reason there's no transmission in it is because I took it. Didn't have a 3-speed in it. You can see the shifter hole in the floor there. It had a 4-speed in it. And it's also got a nice big old hole there for your air conditioning. It's pretty tough shape too. So you usually don't find too much. Anything that's real good here. Now somebody's trying to restore one and gave up. But we'll have a look at the transmission that was in it. It's a sagging off 4-speed. 3rd and 4th, 1st, 2nd, reverse. Nice big old long handle on it. Decided to grab the bell housing. The damn dowel stuck in it. Had a heck of a time getting that off. I'm pretty sure I didn't crack it or break it, but I'm gonna take it anyways. It looks like a 2-ringer sagging off. 1 ring, 2 ring. Maybe that's like a 290 something per gear. Anyways, also found a brand new pair of brake shoes from Mass 10. Weird part about that is I found those in the Chrysler row. We'll have one last look. That one's a 76. That one's a 77 GMC. And I never did figure out what year this one was, but I guess we could look in the door or something, but it's right around in there too. The license plate truck. There's some more on it. I guess at least they're recycling, they're using their license plates over. That one's Virginia. That's the odd one. The rest of them are Nebraska. Yeah, those are all Nebraska. That one up there is Nebraska. So this is actually a motor in it, still quadrojet on it. Might be a 400, I don't know, I ain't looked at that close. Like I say, it is 4-wheel drive. Got 203 transfer case in it. Yeah, it says 77 up there, so I guess it's a 77. This one is in real bad shape. Like I say, it's just funny to see all the weird stuff people do to their vehicles. Yeah, well, it's getting about closing time, so I need to think about leaving. One last look. Talk about weird stuff people do. Check this out. Got the gas jug back here with the fuel pump in the gas jug. What people think of. It looks like a fire hazard to me. Yeah, something else I found in here and I was looking. Somebody was apparently brown bagging it. Some Kessler, American blended whiskey. I think it says smooth as silk under there. Looks like it gave $2.62 for it. That's cheap. I don't know when they bought that, but better wasn't something in it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. We're always doing something on the Chevy farm. I need to get the heck out of here. I need a drink first. I don't know if I can get this damn thing started. Looks like somebody broke the key off. Might be flooded. I was in the junkyard there. It got me a boo-boo. Or to rip my fingernail off. That freaking hurts. Nothing worse than finger pain.